You looking to buy a home? I'm the one to talk to. Seriously though, if you want to buy a home or get a car loan or simply have financial peace of mind, your credit score is key. The truth is, it really is a key. It is the key that can open doors or close them for you. You actually have more control over your credit score than you may think. So in today's market update, I'm breaking down proven tips to help you improve your credit score. We'll go over some foundational steps and even some advanced strategies. You're definitely going to want to stick around to the end because I'm going to share one quick strategy that can give you a very quick boost. I'm Jen Blanchard, team leader of the Blanchard team at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Fox & Roach Realtors, and I make videos to help you get smarter about buying and selling homes in the beautiful state of New Jersey. Your credit score plays a bigger role in housing than most people realize. When you apply for a mortgage, it's one of the first things that lenders look at to decide whether or not they're going to approve you. The higher your score, the more confident they feel that you'll be able to pay on time every month. It also affects the interest rate that you're offered. Two buyers can apply for the same loan, but the one with the stronger credit score will usually get a lower rate, and that can add up to tens of thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. It doesn't stop at buying houses. If you're renting, landlords often check credit scores as well to see if you're likely to pay reliably. A lower score doesn't always mean a flat out no, but it could mean a bigger security deposit or stricter terms. Here's the bottom line. Your credit score doesn't just open doors. It determines how much it costs to walk through them. So let's talk about what you can do to improve your credit score. I have 4 foundational steps that will help you either keep your great credit score or fix a score that's not so great today. Some of these may seem obvious, some of them not so much. Number 1, you're going to want to pay your bills on time. Your payment history makes up 35% of your credit score, and even one late payment can stay on that credit report for years. A quick tip, I do this. I've got my monthly bills on auto pay. You can do that, or if you want to keep more track of them, just set up a reminder for yourself so that you know to go and pay it when it's due. Number 2, pay down or avoid revolving debt. Keep credit utilization under 30%. So if you're approved for $10,000, don't spend more than $3,000. Ideally, you want to keep it under 10%. If you have a $5,000 limit, keep your balance under $500. Small adjustments can shift scores faster than people think, up and down. So you just want to be aware of that. I've always told my kids, don't use revolving credit. It's okay to have a credit card that works as revolving credit. Make every effort that you can to pay that bill every month. Always zero your balance out. Number 3, check your credit report for errors. 1 in 5 reports have an error. Correcting a mistake, like a wrongly reported late payment, could raise your score instantly. Number 4, this might be counterintuitive. You want to keep older accounts open, even if you're not using them. So don't close that first card that you got when you went to college. And that's because the age of your credit history matters. It helps your score a lot more than you would think because it shows that you have a solid foundation of paying down your credit. 5 more strategies that you can use to help lower your credit. Now, I'm not saying that you do all of these. I'm just saying these are things that you can do. You can become an authorized user on someone else's credit card. Becoming an authorized user, or say piggybacking on a parent or a friend's good credit score, can help you build yours. I did that for my kids. I opened credit cards and I made them authorized users. So as we used those cards, it improved their credit score as well. Number 2, avoid too many new credit applications. Each hard inquiry or hard pull of your credit dings your score. So space them out and only apply when necessary. So when you're checking out at Macy's or Best Buy or Target and they say, you can save $30 if you open a credit card today. That is very tempting. But if you did that last week at a different store, you probably don't want to do it again. So just keep those hard credit inquiries to a minimum. A third trick you can do is request a credit limit increase. Same spending with a bigger limit is a lower utilization of that credit, but you have to be disciplined to do that. You don't want to treat it as free money. You don't want to run all the way up to the balance just because you can. Number 4, diversify your credit mix. Having a mix of different types of credit is a good idea. So you may have a car loan and a credit card. You may have a mortgage and a car loan. Having a mix of credit types shows lenders that you can manage different forms of debt. Number 5, this is perfect for people starting from scratch or rebuilding after some sort of credit nightmare. This is kind of like training wheels for credit, and that is using a secured card or a credit builder loan. If you have more questions about that, feel free to give me a call or talk to your bank. I promised if you stuck around, I would give you an idea of something that you can do that will literally bump your credit score almost instantly. And that is something to keep in mind is timing. Timing matters. Paying down your credit card before your statement closing date, not just before the due date, but before the closing date, can lower your reported utilization and give you an instant score bump. This hack alone can add points right before a mortgage pre-approval. So I just gave you a bunch of tips and tricks and ways that you can improve your credit. Improving your credit score isn't about tricks. It's about consistent, smart habits. Pay on time. Keep your balances low. Watch for errors. Check your credit score regularly. And if you're planning to buy a home here in Basking Ridge or Somerset County or Central New Jersey, let's connect. I'll guide you not just in real estate, but in preparing your finances so that you get the best deal possible. Remembering that I sell houses, not loans, but I have several amazing lender partners. We can work as a team and get you home. Drop your questions in the comments. Reach out to me directly. Happy to have a conversation. And don't forget, like this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Click the little bell. You'll be notified when I post new content. And share this video with someone that you know who's working on their credit score.